Hello guys, we are in Udupi today and this is the Malpe beach. It is one of the biggest and the most famous beaches.
So you think that only Goa has the best beaches in India? Think again.
Hello, I'm your host Gulreen. I'm a data engineer, so my PTOs are very precious.
This time I used my PTO to travel to Karnataka and मेरा पहला stop था उडुपी. अब उडुपी पहुंचना बहुत आसान है. The closest airport is Mangalore Airport, जहाँ से 1.5 hours का राउंड लगता है उडुपी आने के लिए. उडुपी में रेलवे स्टेशन भी है एंड बैंगलोर से तो आप आराम से रोड ट्रिप कर सकते हैं. उडुपी में आवर फर्स्ट स्पॉट वाज मालपे बीच एंड वी रश टू द सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड बोटिंग पॉइंट क्योंकि उसकी जो फोटोज मैंने ऑनलाइन देखी है इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. Here you can get a ticket for the ferry for around 300-350 rupees per person.
Okay, so this is a ferry that basically goes to St. Mary's Island. The island is somewhere there. I mean, that is the island. This is the Malpe Sea Walk. The ferry goes from there and that right there is the island. But we are here today on a holiday, that's like a national holiday. So the line for the ferry is quite big. I mean, बहुत लोग हैं भाई, इतने सारे लोग तो मैंने तो एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करे थे. And Tenby Island actually, it the ferry ride stops at 5 p.m. and abhi it's around it will be 4 p.m. in next 10 minutes. So I'm not really sure if we will be able to go, but let's see.
We were not able to go here, but you should definitely not miss this.
Welcome to Malpe's Sea Walk.
Well, इतनी भीड़ की वजह से सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड तो नहीं जा पाए, but we decided to just walk down the Malpe Sea Walk. It is also one of the best thing that Udupi has.
This is the end of the sea walk. You can see the waves here being more stronger. These rocks are mostly stable, but this is the end of the Malpe sea walk. It's quite nice here.
You can also easily spot these ferries. These are the ones that actually takes you to and from the St. Mary's Island. But यहाँ पे you can also see a lot of other boats जो local fishermen use करते हैं whenever they go out for fishing. And I heard that they go out for a couple of days and even for multiple weeks. Seeing the sea this close is actually a very good experience. And in सबके बाद you can easily go to have your snacks or something. Bahar, the road from the St. Mary's Island to Malpe Beach has a lot of these छोटे-छोटे stall and बहुत ही बढ़िया खाना मिलता है. And beach तो मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. Malpe Beach honestly surprised me. Clean water, soft sand, and that golden sunset made everything feel like straight out of a movie scene. As we came here on a national holiday, तो बहुत सारे लोग थे. ऐसे एक बहुत ज़्यादा well managed सा chaos दिख रहा था यहाँ से. And everyone was flying kites. We also flew a kite. With the background of this beautiful sunset. Sunset के टाइम पे सब कुछ इतना सुंदर होता है ना. But this is what it sounded like in reality. ठीक है, बहुत ज़्यादा शोर था, बहुत सारे लोग थे, बट यू कैन सी द हैप्पीनेस ऑन माय फेस. एंड जस्ट लुक एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्काई एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट्स गोना गेट बेटर इन जस्ट फ्यू मिनट्स. एंड अगर नेचर की ब्यूटी इतने सारे शोर के साथ भी देखनी पड़े ना, तब भी पूरी नहीं लगती है. फन फैक्ट, Mahalpe beach is also one of the cleanest beaches in Karnataka. I seriously did not expect Udupi to look like this. It is such an underrated coastal town in India and has definitely become one of my most favorite ones. Well, इतनी सारी ब्यूटी एक दिन के लिए बहुत ही हमारे लिए. So we headed out to have dinner and we sat at Nemo's. There are a lot of other food options here as well around Malpe Beach. Well, that's it for day one. Stay tuned for day two, and I will also be creating a separate video for the full itinerary of Udupi. See ya!